and welcome to a new vlog. If you're new to the channel, I'm Sarah, the other half adult Disney is Jeff, and right now we are in Tokyo Disneyland at the Ambassador Hotel. This is one of several different hotel options you have here at Tokyo Disney, and in this resort review we'll share all the different amenities here at the resort, the dining, as well as a room tour. We can't wait to share it all with you, and it's time for an adventure. When it comes to the Disney hotel options here, the Ambassador Hotel is going to fall in the mid-range price point. This hotel is themed after America in the 1930s and definitely has that golden age of Hollywood feel. When it comes to benefits for staying at this hotel, two of the big things are that guests are guaranteed to be able to purchase theme park tickets once they arrive, and you also are entitled to Happy 15, which will give you entry to a specific park through a designated entrance and get you into that park 15 minutes before other guests, so that's a really nice perk. When you first walk into the hotel, you'll have guest services and the front desk. Guest services is where you can store your bags. It's also where you can get those tickets that I just talked about. And then the front desk will be able to assist with all of your different check-in options. With the Ambassador Hotel, there are a variety of different rooms. So you have standard hotel rooms, but there also are character theme rooms. For the characters, there's Mickey, Minnie, Chip and Dale, and Stitch, but we are staying in a Donald Duck room, and I can't wait to share it all. This is the main bedroom space inside of the Donald room, and we absolutely love it. You have the two beds right there. There's a table with chairs against the window. You have a couch and then the TV with some drawers for storage below it. When you first enter the room, you'll have the bathroom, and we'll share more of the details here in a little bit, but I really love the Donalds that are on the glass here in the bathroom space. So you'll have the two doors with the sink in the middle. Behind one of the doors, there is the toilet, and then across from that will be the second door. And in here, you will find a pretty large shower and tub area. So here's a closer look at the tub space, and then directly next to it, you will have the shower. In here, they do provide the shampoo and conditioner and body wash for guests to use. And then also directly next to the sink, you'll have some more amenities that are provided. These I absolutely love, the bag with the Donald theming, and then you also have toothbrushes as well as themed cups that you're able to use or take with you. Directly across from the bathroom is a really large closet. So in here, there will be plenty of space to hang different items. They did also provide slippers for you to use while you're here. You could bring those with you if you want. And on the other side of the closet, there is also a safe that is provided. So if you want to store anything in the safe while you're in the room, you also can do that. The room also has a hot tea kettle, and they will provide some instant coffee and tea, so that is available. You also have a mini fridge, and there were some bottles of water inside, which was really nice. And they do also have the slippers I mentioned before. Here's a closer look at those, as well as pajamas. For the pajamas, those are just for you to use during your stay. When it comes to this room, there are some amazing Donald and Daisy details. I also love this ambassador detail here on the towel, the little hat and the light, but one of my absolute favorite details is the wallpaper. So there are just Donalds everywhere along the wallpaper, which is amazing. And I also love the details on the bed. So the bed head board is going to be his feet. Here's one final look at all of the items that are included and complimentary for you to take with you. And lastly, there is an outdoor space, so you do have some seats outside if you want to sit out here. Our balcony area looked out over the pool space, so this was our view. And they do have the pool here. Unfortunately, it was closed during our stay, but it looks really nice. So if it's open during yours, it looks like a really good amenity. When it comes to dining at this hotel, you have several options, and most of the restaurants will be located down this hallway. One of the most popular ones is TikTok Diner, which is going to be a deli cafe, and they have a bunch of really amazingly themed treats as well. Chef Mickey's is a character dining, and this is going to be a buffet style. Here, Mickey and his friends will make their way around to guest tables and say hi, while guests can kind of help themselves to the buffet as much as they'd like. Directly next to Chef Mickey is Empire Grill. This is going to be California style cuisine, and it will be a sit-down restaurant. This is just a quick look inside so you have an idea of the theming inside here. And then out near the lobby, so where you have check-in, there is a lounge. So the Hyperion Lounge is located directly off of here. In this lounge, you will have options for afternoon tea or afternoon tea and cakes. And so this is a wonderful thing to have if you want to come back to the hotel and relax midday and have a little treat. So here's a look at what some of those desserts or specialty drinks look like. If you're wanting something that's more of just a grab and go snack, there is a small convenience store that is also located right off of the lobby. In here, you'll find everything from chips to candies. They will have a variety of drinks, so hot and cold drinks if you want a soda or a coffee. And in here, it's also, again, a convenience style store. So you'll have different amenities that you need. So if you need anything from toiletries to medicine, that is also going to be available in here. If you are looking for more Disney style souvenirs, there is a shop directly next door to that convenience store. And in here, you'll find some of the merchandise similar to what you will find in the theme parks. So if you don't want to worry about carrying it around in the theme parks, or you want to grab a last minute souvenir, this is available. We found that they had a really good variety. So again, if you're staying at this hotel, I definitely recommend popping in and checking out this store. If you have a little one, there is Chippendale's Playground here. However, this space is limited to those that book specific plans that include access to this. So if you're interested in it, be sure to look into that in more detail on the hotel website. One other thing I want to note is that this hotel does connect to Xperi, which is the shopping downtown Disney style area here at Tokyo Disney. So that is a really nice aspect of this hotel as well. And the last thing I want to touch on is just getting to the theme parks. So with this hotel, the location again is really good. You can walk to both the Disneyland park as well as Disney Sea. There are also buses that are provided, so that's a short bus ride to the theme parks. And this does also have a stop on the monorail loop, so you'll get off at Xperi and you can walk right to the hotel from there if you prefer to take the monorail. I want to share our overall thoughts about the Ambassador Hotel. Honestly, we both really enjoyed it. The Donald Duck Room was amazing. They have some really good dining options here, and the bus was really convenient to getting to the park. But even beyond the bus, we loved the fact that you can walk both to Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea. We had a really great time, and we definitely would recommend this resort if you're coming to Tokyo Disney, especially when you account for the value with this resort and all the different amenities that it has. Thanks so much for following along with us, and can't wait to bring you on our next adventure.